देखिए, ये जो चुनाव रहा है, ये कोई साधारण चुनाव नहीं रहा।
हाँ।
ये एक अच्छाई और बुराई की लड़ाई रही है। ये काम और गुंडागर्दी की लड़ाई रही है। और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि कालका जी के लोग और पूरी दिल्ली के लोग अच्छाई के साथ खड़े होंगे, काम के साथ खड़े होंगे, आम आदमी पार्टी और अरविंद केजरीवाल। देखिए, हम तो पहले ही कई दिनों से कह रहे हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी चौथी बार मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे, भारी बहुमत से बनेंगे, और आज शाम तक आंकड़ा आपके सामने होगा।
आपका मार्जिन कितना रहेगा? आप कितना मार्जिन देख रही हैं अगर आप जीते तो?
कुछ घंटे में पता चलेगा।
आपके लिए एक चक्रव्यूह रचा गया था, लेकिन मनीष सिसोदिया, आतिशी, अरविंद केजरीवाल तीनों की सीटों पे बीजेपी ने बहुत बड़ा दांव लगाया था ताकि आम आदमी पार्टी को रोका जा सके।
देखिए, आम आदमी पार्टी का अगर आप इतिहास देखिए, आम आदमी पार्टी में हमने जब शुरुआत करी, हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं था। कोई सोच नहीं सकता था कि आम आदमी पार्टी राजनीति में सफल हो सकती है। ना हमारे पास पैसे की ताकत थी, ना हमारे पास बाहुबल था, ना हम धर्म की राजनीति करते हैं, ना हम वोट बैंक की राजनीति करते हैं। लेकिन दिल्ली के लोगों का प्यार था, भगवान का आशीर्वाद था कि आज हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं। और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि दिल्ली के लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का आशीर्वाद हम पे बना रहेगा।
आज बहुत ही अहम दिन है दिल्ली के लिए, और जिस दिन का सारे दिल्ली वासियों को इंतजार था, आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का हमको साथ में मिलेगा। उनके विजन को साथ लेकर दिल्ली में बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे काम करने हैं।
आपदा वालों को भगाना है। इस बार भाजपा सरकार बनाना है।
आपदा दिल्ली में नहीं आई, आपदा भाजपा में आई है।
जो बेईमान होता है वही अपने आप को सर्टिफिकेट देता है।
Good morning, and I am Kartikeya Sharma, and welcome to a special broadcast on Delhi elections.
Thanks very much for tuning in right here on News 9. Delhi, the power centre, is finally voted. Today is results day, and right here, expect the most accurate updates.
The counting of votes has begun. Delhi Assembly polls hold the key for Bharatiya Janata Party's future politics, because they have staked everything on what middle class should get. The result will also decide whether Kejriwal secures a fourth consecutive term, or if, as I said, BJP will return to power. Exit polls have predicted an edge, a decisive edge for Bharatiya Janata Party. However, AAP has dismissed these projections, asserting that it will retain power with Arvind Kejriwal set to return as Chief Minister for the fourth time. Let us take a couple of bites.
रहा है, ये कोई साधारण चुनाव नहीं रहा।
हाँ।
ये एक अच्छाई और बुराई की लड़ाई रही है। ये काम और गुंडागर्दी की लड़ाई रही है। और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि कालका जी के लोग और पूरी दिल्ली के लोग अच्छाई के साथ खड़े होंगे, काम के साथ खड़े होंगे, आम आदमी पार्टी और अरविंद केजरीवाल। देखिए, हम तो पहले ही कई दिनों से कह रहे हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी चौथी बार मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे, भारी बहुमत से बनेंगे, और आज शाम तक आंकड़ा आपके सामने होगा।
आपका मार्जिन कितना रहेगा? आप कितना मार्जिन देख रही हैं अगर आप जीते तो?
कुछ घंटे में पता चलेगा।
आपके लिए एक चक्रव्यूह रचा गया था, लेकिन मनीष सिसोदिया, आतिशी, अरविंद केजरीवाल तीनों की सीटों पे बीजेपी ने बहुत बड़ा दांव लगाया था ताकि आम आदमी पार्टी को रोका जा सके।
देखिए, आम आदमी पार्टी का अगर आप इतिहास देखिए, आम आदमी पार्टी में हमने जब शुरुआत करी, हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं था। कोई सोच नहीं सकता था कि आम आदमी पार्टी राजनीति में सफल हो सकती है। ना हमारे पास पैसे की ताकत थी, ना हमारे पास बाहुबल था, ना हम धर्म की राजनीति करते हैं, ना हम वोट बैंक की राजनीति करते हैं। लेकिन दिल्ली के लोगों का प्यार था, भगवान का आशीर्वाद था कि आज हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं। और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि दिल्ली के लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का आशीर्वाद हम पे बना रहेगा।
By our colleagues who are covering all the important constituencies, Shriya, Yash, Nivriti, Deepak Bhatana and Sakshi. All of us will go to them, ask them questions, Nabila, because they will give us the ground feel.
I know Shreya has been moving around parts of Delhi. Shreya, why don't you jump in quickly on the pulse that you see in Delhi? What's been the mood of the AAP and the BJP as per what you gather?
A very good morning to you, Nabila, and Karthik as well. It's been an interesting few days in the national capital, and despite the decisive edge that the exit poll seems to have given the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party still, their spirits still don't seem to be dampened. In fact, they are very sure that today, as in fact one of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders has said, today is the exact poll day, not the exit poll day. So the numbers will reveal the truth, and they seem to be very confident. In fact, interestingly, we even asked them about with regards to the fact that if indeed Aam Aadmi Party isn't able to secure numbers, and if we see that Congress ends up getting a few seats on the other side, will an alliance then be there in question? Will it even be considered? While Sandeep Dixit earlier in the day had said that, that is a decision that is to be given by the High Command, he's not denied it outrightly. But the Aam Aadmi Party leaders seem to be saying that no matter what, an alliance seems to be out of the question. Now, if indeed from what the polling day, February 5th, had to suggest, people out there, the voters out there who went out to exercise their democratic right were very clearly keen on change. That is what they have come out to say. They're not very happy with the way situation has panned
Give
out.
us a sense on whether Delhi has voted for change or whether this is going to be another run for the Aam Aadmi Party. We also have Yash, who's connected with us. Yash, you seem to be right outside the Aam Aadmi Party office. Is it jubilance that you see already? Signs of celebration? Have they rejected? We hear Arvind Kejriwal has wholeheartedly rejected the exit poll results.
Well, Nabila, absolutely. The Aam Aadmi Party has rejected these exit polls, and perhaps it's quite okay to reject these exit polls because most of them were projecting loss for the Aam Aadmi Party here in the national capital. We spoke to Shelley O'Brien also some time back, and she also said that these exit polls often get wrong, and they know the ground reality on what issues the people in the national capital had voted. All the issues, they say, resonated well with the people, and that's why they are confident that they are going to clinch a fourth term here in the national capital. Well, I asked the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and workers also about what they think is going to happen on the key contest seat, on the high-stake battles like the Arvind Kejriwal versus Sandeep Dixit, Parvesh Verma, and what about Manish Sisodia, what about the other top candidates? They say all are going to win very comfortably, and perhaps this is what the Aam Aadmi Party has been saying from the very first day, that the elections in the national capital are perhaps the most important ones, because they say this time the people will be not just voting for the issues, but they are be voting to reject the hooliganism of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, this entire election, we've seen how the campaigning panned out. First on the issues such as the civic issues were the center stage in the national capital, be it the Yamuna cleansing issue, be it the pollution in the national capital, or cleanliness at the large remain at the center stage. So this time around, the Aam Aadmi Party is absolutely sure that they are going to clinch the fourth term. But the exit polls suggest it differently. We all know the kind of edge the BJP has actually able to get this time around.
I think there's a bit of a lag because he's on live. Hey, Yash, do you need to stop? We need to go to other reporters as well. I know there's a bit of a lag. Sakshi, to you.
Sakshi is at the BJP office, yeah.
Yes.
Morning to you, Karthikeya and Nabila. Yes, a very good morning to both of you and to all the viewers of News 9. I am currently reporting live from the BJP office here in the national capital. It's freezing. It's a super Saturday and a late winter morning, of course. But I do believe, and of course we all believe, that all the political leaders must be feeling the heat. It's the D-Day for them, of course. The BJP is exuding extreme confidence, and of course the exit polls have turned out in their favor. Why not? But apart from that, we are looking at the allegations, counter-allegations coming in despite of that fiery campaigning that we saw here in the national capital between this triangular contest of Congress, the BJP as well as the Aam Aadmi Party. Like our colleagues Shreya and Yash have already reported that the Aam Aadmi Party is completely rejecting what the exit polls have to say. But there were two who were in fact in their favor as well. It'll be very interesting to see if this is going to be a neck-to-neck battle between both of them, or the BJP is going to finally end their 27-year year long exile. If I could speak about the temperatures here in the office of the BJP, I can see the entire media fraternity aligned over here. We have got a couple of televisions tracking because the polling, the counting has already begun. We will start getting the early trends as well. The party workers have come in too. They are exceeding confidence. They are denying to talk about any other party. They are like, we are confident that we are coming back in the national capital after so many years.
Okay, thank you, Sakshi.